Welcome guys, today we are going to learn how to make a macrame berry knot. This knot is actually super simple. You will take your cords and you are going to create 3 square knots. Now when you're starting your berry knot and you're doing it on a dowel, you're going to leave a little bit of space between the dowel and your first square knot. So there's 1 square knot and continue to create 2 more. All right, now that you have your 3 square knots done, you are going to take the 2 center cords, your filler cords, and you will fold them up and through that space that you left at the beginning between the top of the square knot and your dowel. Pull those cords all the way through, and this is what is going to create that berry look. This is why it's the berry knot. Take those 2 working cords on this side and place 1 square knot, and this will help secure your berry knot in place. You have now created a berry knot. So again, I'm going to speed it up, but if you are going to make a piece with this, I suggest leaving about 1 inch or so space between each berry knot, because once you are done with that berry knot, you'll see here as I pull those center cords through the loop, it will pull up about 1/4 inch, so your space will decrease. And again, securing that berry knot with a square knot. Once you get these berry knots down, it is really fun to incorporate these into your macrame wall hangs. It adds such character to some of the pieces. And you'll see here that there was about a little more than 1 inch space between the berry knots, but once you put those center cords through that loop, again, it does decrease that space by about 1/4 inch or so. And you have just created the macrame berry knot. I hope this has helped, and click that subscribe and like button to learn more tutorials.